Good morning, beautiful people. Whew, today is the first day of my brand new job and I'm nowhere near as prepared as I would like to be. I have 45 minutes until I need to get dressed and go to the gym, so I want to see how much I can get done. My main focus is going to be this kitchen because it is a disaster. Let's see how much we can get done. I did not get everything done, but I got a load of dishes done there. I got all the dishes in the sink at least. I didn't wipe this counter off, but I got those cleaned up. The actual broom is in my grandma's room, so I couldn't sleep the way I wanted to. But I got some of it done, and I think that's what matters. What matters is that I spent 45, 50 minutes just deciding that I wanted to get as much done as I possibly could, and I actually got quite a bit done. I got more done than I was planning on, and it feels better walking in. Just being in this space, it feels better. It's still a mess. Like looking over there, there's still a lot to do, but it's nowhere near what it was. And honestly, that makes it worth it to me. So if you have some time today, whether it's 5 minutes or 45 minutes or 2 hours, do something that's going to make you feel better. Whether it's cleaning the doom corner in your room or it's cleaning up the kitchen or doing the dishes, go do it. Your future self will thank you.